What if I told you that some of the most profitable televisions you can flip in 2026 are the ones that most buyers, sellers, and even some repair technicians think are completely dead? Every day, people list modern LED smart TVs for a fraction of their actual value because the screen is black, the picture flickers, the display looks blue, or half the screen appears dark. And in many cases, the culprit is a relatively inexpensive LED backlight failure that can be repaired for a surprisingly low cost. What if I told you that some of the most profitable televisions you can flip in 2026 are the ones that most buyers, sellers, and even some repair technicians think are completely dead? Every day, people list modern LED smart TVs for a fraction of their actual value because the screen is black, the picture flickers, the display looks blue, or half the screen appears dark. And in many cases, the culprit is a relatively inexpensive LED backlight failure that can be repaired for a surprisingly low cost. One of the biggest reasons LED backlight repairs are so profitable is because modern televisions are often misunderstood by the average seller. When a television powers on and produces sound but shows no visible picture, many owners immediately assume the screen panel has failed. And because replacement display panels are usually uneconomical to replace, they decide the television is worthless. The reality is often very different. In countless cases, the display panel is perfectly functional, and the actual problem lies in the LED backlight system, hidden behind the screen. To understand why this matters, it helps to know how modern LED televisions work. Despite being called LED TVs, the image you see is created by an LCD panel, while the LEDs behind that panel provide the light needed to make the picture visible. When those LEDs fail, the LCD panel can still produce an image, but without illumination, that image becomes nearly impossible to see. To the average owner, the television appears dead even though many of its most expensive components are still functioning properly. When those LEDs fail, the LCD panel can still produce an image, but without illumination, that image becomes nearly impossible to see. To the average owner, the television appears dead even though many of its most expensive components are still functioning properly. One of the most common symptoms you'll encounter is the classic sound but no picture problem. The television turns on normally, audio plays through the speakers, channels change, streaming services load, and remote commands work, yet the screen remains black. Experienced television flippers immediately perform what is commonly known as the flashlight test. By shining a flashlight at an angle against the screen, they look for faint images hidden beneath the darkness. If menu items, logos, or video content become visible under the flashlight, that's often a strong indication that the LCD panel is still functioning and the LED backlight system has failed. This simple test can save countless hours and help identify some of the most profitable repair opportunities available. Another common issue involves partial backlight failure. Instead of the entire screen going dark, one section may appear significantly dimmer than the rest of the display. You might notice a dark band running vertically across the screen, a shadow occupying one side of the television, or several dim regions scattered throughout the picture. These symptoms often indicate that specific LED strips or groups of LEDs have failed while others continue operating. For flippers, televisions with partial backlight failures can be especially attractive because many sellers are unaware of the actual cause. They may list the television as defective or damaged without realizing the repair is often straightforward compared to replacing major internal components. Flickering displays represent another profitable category. A television that repeatedly brightens and dims, flashes intermittently, or struggles to maintain consistent brightness may be experiencing backlight-related problems. In some cases, weakening LEDs draw abnormal amounts of current and cause the television's protection circuitry to intervene. The television attempts to power the LEDs, detects a fault condition, shuts down the backlight, and then tries again repeatedly. To the owner, the television appears unreliable and frustrating. To a skilled flipper, however, it may represent an opportunity to acquire valuable inventory at a significant discount. One increasingly common issue found in modern televisions is the blue tint problem. Many LED televisions that are several years old begin displaying a strong blue hue across the screen. Owners often assume the display panel itself has deteriorated beyond repair. In reality, the problem frequently originates from aging LED backlights whose phosphor coatings have degraded over time. Replacing the backlight strips can often restore normal color balance and dramatically improve picture quality. This is especially valuable because televisions suffering from blue tint issues are often sold far below their potential market value. Before purchasing any television for flipping, careful diagnosis is critical. Successful electronics flippers don't simply buy every broken television they encounter. Instead, they develop repeatable evaluation processes that minimize risk and maximize profitability. The first step involves gathering as much information as possible from the seller. Ask whether the television powers on. Ask whether sound is present. Ask whether the issue appeared suddenly or gradually. Ask whether any physical damage occurred before the problem appeared. These questions often reveal valuable clues about the likely cause of the failure. A television that gradually became dimmer over several months may point toward aging backlights, while one that failed immediately after being dropped may indicate more serious damage. Once you have the television in your possession, systematic inspection becomes essential. Examine the screen for cracks, impact marks, pressure damage, and liquid intrusion. A failed backlight is usually worth repairing. A cracked display panel often is not. This distinction alone can determine whether a flip generates substantial profits or results in financial losses. Many experienced flippers refuse to purchase televisions with visible panel damage regardless of price. The tools required for LED backlight repairs are surprisingly accessible. A quality screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, digital multimeter, LED tester, microfiber gloves, and organized storage trays can handle many common repair situations. While professional repair shops may invest in more advanced equipment, beginners can often start with a relatively modest tool budget. The key is learning proper procedures rather than simply accumulating expensive tools. One of the most important skills in television repair is safe disassembly. Modern television panels are extremely thin and fragile. A moment of carelessness can transform a profitable repair into an expensive mistake. Successful flippers take their time, organize screws carefully, document each step with photographs, and avoid rushing the process. Patience often separates profitable electronics refurbishers from those who repeatedly damage valuable inventory. Every television model is slightly different, and developing a disciplined approach significantly reduces risk. Many new flippers make the mistake of replacing only individual failed LEDs instead of replacing entire LED strip sets. While replacing a single LED may seem economical, the remaining LEDs often have similar wear levels and may fail shortly afterward. Replacing the entire backlight assembly typically produces more reliable results, improves customer satisfaction, and reduces warranty-related issues after resale. Long-term reliability often matters more than saving a few dollars during the repair process. Another mistake involves ignoring thermal management. Heat is one of the primary causes of LED degradation. Dust accumulation, poor ventilation, and extended operation at maximum brightness can accelerate backlight wear significantly. Cleaning internal components and educating buyers about reasonable brightness settings can help extend the lifespan of repaired televisions. Understanding local market demand is equally important. Not every television generates the same resale value. Large-screen smart televisions typically attract greater buyer interest than smaller non-smart models. Features such as 4K resolution, HDR compatibility, streaming applications, gaming support, and recognizable brand names often command higher resale prices. Consider a hypothetical example. A 65-inch smart television is listed for $50 because the seller believes it needs a new screen. After performing a flashlight test, you determine the panel appears functional and suspect a backlight failure. You purchase the television, replace the LED strips for a modest parts cost, clean the unit thoroughly, verify all functions, and list it for resale. The television sells quickly for several $100s. This type of scenario plays out repeatedly in local marketplaces around the world. While not every repair produces such dramatic results, consistent identification of backlight-related opportunities can significantly increase average flipping profits over time. Documentation also plays a surprisingly important role in maximizing resale value. Buyers appreciate transparency. Taking before and after photos, recording repair details, and demonstrating functionality through videos can help justify higher asking prices. Buyers are often more comfortable purchasing refurbished electronics when they understand exactly what work was performed. Trust frequently translates into higher selling prices and faster transactions. Professional presentation can be just as important as technical skill. As competition increases in many flipping categories, specialized knowledge becomes increasingly valuable. Anyone can buy a working television and attempt to resell it. Far fewer people understand how to diagnose backlight failures, perform safe repairs, and restore televisions to excellent working condition. This knowledge gap creates a competitive advantage that can persist for years. The most successful television flippers continually improve their skills. They study repair techniques, analyze common failure patterns, track profitable models, and refine their purchasing criteria. Every repair provides new information. Every successful flip improves efficiency. Every mistake becomes an opportunity to learn and improve future results. Repairing common LED backlight issues is not merely about fixing televisions. It's about recognizing hidden value where others see problems. When you understand how to identify backlight failures, evaluate repair feasibility, source quality replacement parts, perform reliable repairs, and market refurbished televisions effectively, you position yourself to capture profits that many competitors overlook entirely. The next time you see a listing that says sound but no picture, screen is dark, flickering display, or blue screen issue, don't immediately dismiss it as junk. It may be the exact opportunity that helps transform a modest flipping operation into a highly profitable electronics resale business built on knowledge, skill, and the ability to see potential where others only see a broken television.